I'm at Lowe's Lake in the Adirondacks of New York State. Today the wind has picked up now a little bit this afternoon. I'm thinking there might be some rain tonight. It was in the low 40s this morning. Here's some of my gear that I bring. This is my canoe. It's a 16-foot chestnut plow, wood canvas. I don't know what year it is. It's probably could be anywhere from the 50s to 60s. I was going to take my 15-foot chum, which is only 30 inches wide, but I just realized I wasn't going to get everything in it. It's just too much stuff, so I took my pal. My pal is semi-retired till I restore it this winter. It's got some issues. The inwale is coming apart from the ribs. I got some cracked ribs there. Plank is rotting. So it's been on a lot of trips. Snow and Neely Cruiser X. He was a good guy. And I've used this axe many times. I get a lot of enjoyment using an axe in the trail. And here's my Schmidt pack saw. They don't make them anymore, I don't think. But I got this from LL Beam, I believe. Yeah, Schmidt pack saw. Here's my paddles. I've heard they make other types of paddles, but these are beaver tails, 57-inch. So here's my, that's my deer rifle. I only have one, and I've been really happy with it. Shot a lot of deer with it. Got a lot of venison. There's my cold handle frying pan. I love this thing. These things are the greatest. My friend Dennis told me about them. He's pretty good with it too. I could learn a lot from Dennis. And mine's a number 43. This is the one I bring with me. I mean, it's a little worse for wear, but throw some oil in there. Well, it's pretty good. Really like it. This is a Duluth Wanderer. It's really good pack. I can keep my axe in one pouch, my folding saw on the other side. I took this to Canada this summer. Leather straps with a thumb. And here's my wall tent. It was originally an 8x10 by 6'6" high, I think. And it was just too big. Yeah, see, it has an interior frame in there. I use this old Campmore tarp. I bought this Campmore tarp at 25 years ago. The ends are ripped off. The corners are ripped off. I use a roll of rock in there, and then tie a knot around it. That's not going to go anywhere. So the tent's good, and my stove. I mean, it looks kind of Rube Goldberg there, but it's originally the tent had the stove jack on the roof, which is not too good because your sparks and stuff could fall on it. You can't put a tarp there. You have to build a tarp, a special tarp for it. So I did like the guys in Canada do. There's my little lanigan I use. I got a little rubber seal there, keep the water out. And yeah, I like it. And you see I got, from the interior frame, I've got a lot of my gear hanging off of shower curtain rods. So, you know, just like home. I wanted to talk a little bit more about my wood stove. I forgot about that. This stove was originally 24 inches deep by 12 inches high by 12 inches wide. And I've cut it down twice. This is the final product. Because I don't do any winter camping, I mean in really cold conditions, this stove is plenty warm enough for what I need. I mean, I have to have the door open when it's cooking, unless it's really cold. And maybe like in the morning or something, it's in the 30s. But yeah, it's great to have. I got a little damper on it if I need it. I don't usually use it. I got the hole in the bottom there to cook, the hole in the top I mean, so that I can heat the pots faster, the water. And when I don't need that, I put this plate back over the holes, right over that hole. But and it's got a little door there. There's the stove. Nice, huh? Yeah, it's good. It's fun doing what I like. I mean, I'm not a light white camper, that's for sure. Yep. All right. That's it for today.